Greensill Farming is a third-generation farming family here in the Bundaberg region. We've been here for many years growing a number of different crops, which are both horticultural and broadacre crops, including sweet potatoes, sugarcane, peanuts, and also lucerne hay. It's a privilege and a blessing to be growing in the region with wonderful access to water, an amazing climate, and also some variable and very valuable soil types that we have here in Bundaberg. Sustainability is at the heart of what we do at Greensill Farming, and this comes in three core elements, and those are our innovative farming practices, where we aim to continue to build systems and processes that allow us to minimise our carbon impact, reduce our fuel use, and have efficiencies in field that can provide a range of flow-on impacts to the environment. This is coupled with our use of water and maximising water both from a crop perspective, but also minimising our runoff, erosion, and any loss of soil or nutrients from each of our farms. The partnership between Greensill Farming and CQU has been focused around three main projects. They were the use of drone technology on farm, which has been a huge success and has seen significant implementation of drones across all of our farms and operations. We've also utilised 3D printing to create impact assessment tools and manage our crops and ensure the highest recoveries that we can maintain on farm. And the final project, which has been very exciting and certainly one which is a huge tick for the environment, is our work with CQU on maximising the impact that compost can have across our farming aggregation.
So Green Solutions is an open windrow facility, state of the art. It's been open for over 18 months. It's a place where the community can come and drop off their green waste for free, and then we turn into beautiful compost. So the digital heat probes are really important through the composting process. So for the first 15 days we have to monitor the windrows and make sure that they are reaching pasteurisation. And pasteurisation means we have to get it above 55 degrees. We have to keep it at that for 15 days. And then we have to make sure we turn it 5 times during that period. A huge game changer, because these digital probes allow us to get data in real time, so we're able to get this data all the time rather than just temperature testing at certain parts of the day. It also gives us an idea of what's happening with those windrows and making sure that we're getting a consistent product at the end of the day. So we've been fairly heavily involved with CQ Uni through Phil Brown and his team. It's been great to have them on board. We've got a fantastic outcome here where we were able to get these probes that we'd discussed only sort of 12 months ago that we needed a solution, and through their team they were able to source a great outcome for us through a company out of Geelong, and now we're able to get a really great outcome here where we were able to get this on site and utilise it. So composting is a natural process of breaking down that organic matter. We have microbes, fungi and bacteria that help with that process. So we're able to utilise those three key elements and a bit of water, and we're able to turn that stuff that would normally have been landfill and green waste, turn into a beautiful compost after 120 days. Extremely important, because the outcome that we're trying to produce here is a commercial outcome that we'll be able to utilise in our own operations, but also to help with the sustainability and economic development of these farms. So we're able to get a compost that is a consistent product that increases yield, reduces loss of water, and we're able to get a really consistent product that we're able to put out across our farms.
We expect there's going to be an increased demand for compost in the future, so operations like this one, which can produce high quality compost for use in farming operations, is just going to become more important. Other trials that we've run with Greensill Farming include using drones for aerial application of crop protectant products. It's been really important over the last few months when we've had quite a wet summer. It can be quite difficult to get ground-based rigs onto farming properties when the soil is wet. You suffer soil compaction, which is not good for the soil. If we use a drone, we can put the product on when the soil is wet, still get the crop protection outcomes we're after without damaging the soil. And the capacity to build up Oztech Drones as a local service provider working with companies such as Greensill Farming, it's been a real win for the project because the region now has this fabulous ag-tech provider able to deliver a service, and farmers that are embracing that service and getting the value from it, you can just start to see it spread and be more widely used in the region.